So welcome back to the inspection pit build part 2. We've got some blocks being delivered. We've got 8 packs of blocks being delivered. And I've decided after reading through all the comments, we are going to polythene the floor before we lay the concrete, because you're only doing it once and it's a very little cost. So today as well, we're going to polythene the floor, pour all the concrete in the floor as well. And then tomorrow, all these blocks there, we're going to be laying them. So yeah, 8 packs of blocks, because we're laying them all on the sides. We're not going that way. We want it stronger, so we're going that way like that. So it means double the amount of blocks. But you know, it's what it is. Needs must. We're using concrete blocks, because concrete blocks are obviously the strongest ones you can get. Put this down here. Lovely. Putting the polythene in before the concrete goes in. Hopefully it's all nice and level in there. We'll put 6 inches of concrete in it. Getting the blocks in. 4 packs this side, and we're going to put 4 packs this side as well. Tarpaulin is in, ready for concrete, which is coming very soon. Lovely. Alright, we'll get them halfway and then the alarm goes off. Watch it go up. Got some weight going on there, and then I have to slide them in the rest of the way. Oh, slide it in now. Bit more. There we go. Drop it, and out we come. Lovely jubbly. Here we go. Ready for some concrete. I'm gonna have to rate this bit here because it can't quite get to the back. Lovely. Lovely. We've got a nice little template. That's a little bit. RC40 concrete, so it's nice and strong, 6 inches thick. Look at that. Lovely. Perfect. Perfect. Right. Perfect. There we have it. There we have it. The floor is in. Hopefully that will go off nicely by tomorrow. Ready for the blocks. Well, we can walk on it now. I've got the space heater over there like that, look. That's obviously just getting it to dry out so we can get the block layers on it. It's pretty much there, we can walk on it. It's still a little bit green, but it'll be fine. Just brushed a bit of water off the top. And I forgot to say, we had a mystery guest yesterday, and it's only Ollie Blogs from Agri-Contract come to have a look at the hole. Here he is. Just setting up. Marked it here, look. And using a square, because I'm an expert in block laying. I'll have you know. Whatever. Got a string line down here, look. In here, so we've got about 8 inches of backfill, 8 inch of block, and then 1200 to there, which will just get a little car between. And then on top, obviously, of when we get to the top of the blocks, we've got the angle iron, which is 150 high by 90. So yeah, let's get laying some blocks. We're getting there now. These are for the steps. Tie the steps into the wall. Look at this. Oh, a minute. Just give that a little. There we go. These blokes over here said that they can't believe how good I am. They're going to employ me. I'm really happy. I'm employable once again. There we go. This is going to be the height of where the lights are going to go. So we'll turn a block on its side next. Like that on this level here, so all the lights will run down at that level. End of day one now. We've laid 300 and something blocks on the sides, so that's not too bad going. This level here is now where the hollow blocks we've decided to use, so that keys into the concrete behind, they're going to sit upright. So this is where the level where all the lights and all the air lines and everything's going to go, so that is brilliant. So cracking on. So my idea for this row, she's still steaming. My idea for this row for the lights, I'm going to sit out like that. So this row here is like recessed back. We'll go about here somewhere. And then the lights will all sit here. So they should sit flush with that, so you can't smash them off. And then we've got like a little shelf to put bits on if we need to. And behind here, when we pour the concrete, behind here, the concrete will then go down here as well, and it will like key it all in, so it like holds all the wall back, hopefully. So we'll see. I'm just sort of winging it. Hopefully it'll work. I like your hat. This is the recessed bit. This is obviously where the lights will go. Just moving that across there. What a mess we're making. Here's all the hollow blocks. I'll show you what we've done with the ducting down this end, ready for the cables. We've just encountered a problem. Can you see it? He's dropped his trowel. Oh no!
No, it's gone.
Oh no! He dropped his trowel.
Have you got any scoops?
We're gonna have to get some scoops, yeah. That's it. We're using 2 spiritless. Go on, grab it. You get it? You got it? You got it?
No, not quite.
He's got a Tom Lamb hat on. You got it? Oh, you dropped it. Can you get it? Come on. Can you get it? Are you in there? Watch that. Wait. I'm here. Alright. I've just put the ducting in and you see this bit of rebar we put in. I've cable tied it to that so when we pull the concrete it stays next to it. So that bit comes out there. So this does the loop for the lights each side. And then there'll be another duct here that comes up here for the mains electric coming in and everything else. And there's the mains cable gone in there. In that duct. They're just holding it in whilst we gob it in with some muck. This is the duct for this side, and we've got the other two the other side. Just filling. Look at my nice work here. They said they'll employ me again today. I'm not sure if they're being serious. Look at that recess for all the lights down here. Getting these ones on top. And we're away. Just gobbing these ducts in. Just tidying them up a bit when they're when it goes off a bit more. Give them a bit of a brush. And over the back, do a wet mix, and the concrete should go down. I can easily get my finger in there, like even my thumb. So concrete will go down there, and then hopefully it'll fill it all in, all the way down there, and it'll key it all in and hold the whole wall, you know, nice and strong. Just put this rebar in as well. It goes in there like that, and along there, and along there, and then we can hang all the grease guns on here as well. Now I've got to build the steps so we can get out of it as well. Got his Tom Lamb hat on. And remember, if you'd like to buy some Tom Lamb hats, or you know, any hoodies or anything like that to support some of these jobs that I do, that would be very good. If you go to my Tom Lamb Instagram, TomLamb980, you'll be able to get the link in the bio and go to the online shop. Should we have a look at that hat again?
Thank you, Tom Lamb.
Thank you.
Was purchased.
We've got to tidy all this lot up yet. There's a lot more blocks going into these steps than what we thought there would be, because it's so deep. And there we have it. Really starting to come together now. So the cables will come down these ducts here, mains in, then to the other side, strip lights all the way down here, and air lines all the way down here. So the next thing we're going to have to do in the next video, we're going to be building the frame on top for all the rails to slide up and down, backfilling with concrete. We're going to paint all this white. We're going to floor paint this grey, make it all look very, very nice. Put the electrics in. Here my steps are, so we can get out. Quite like that. And on this end, at some point, I'm going to put like a little ladder for like a little emergency exit in case, you know, you ever need to get out the other end instead. So yeah. There we have the second instalment in the inspection pit build video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to doing the third part of the video and hopefully being able to use it soon. So see you all in the next one.